Hello! I'm gonna show you the simplest crepes ever. You need 1 cup of self-raising flour, half cup of milk, and 2 eggs. That's all you need, and they're so simple. Anyone can make them, right? Let's get cracking. First, add the flour to the bowl. Add the milk. And the eggs. Let's put this away, and the other eggs. And let's put this away. Now give it a good whisk. Whisk it until it's nice and smooth, and it looks like this. Right now, we're gonna cook it. Okay, I'm gonna use coconut oil, but to make you easier, you can use butter. But in this case, I'm gonna use this.
와 머리부터 발끝까지 다 사랑스러워 와 네가 나의 남자라는 게 자랑스러워 기다림이 즐겁고 이젠 공기마저 달콤해 이렇게 너를 사랑해.
And we are going to wait until this thing has bubbles.
I think I'm falling in love. She said, what you know about love?
You put the batter in straight when it starts to bubble. Don't worry about the mess. Your parents will clean it up. When there's bubbles at the top and it's golden at the bottom, you know it's time to flip it.
Try again.
Y ahora espero. And then we wait to the part of the bottom it's golden. Okay, I think that the bottom is golden, so we're going to flip it again. I like it with Nutella, strawberries, and bananas. We're going. It's done. So I'm going to put Nutella. And the best part, eat it. It is so yummy. And now we are going to go to the bloopers. The eggs. No, es que voy a probar. Está siguiendo grabando.
Try again.